Lifening. Deep Talk Plus, single-serve conventional food with powerful detox benefits. Your most beautiful self starts from the inside out. Your gut is the foundation for all of your body's systems. So if your gut is imbalanced or unhealthy, you will be too. Deep Talk Plus restores your gut while providing powerful detox benefits in convenient single-serve packaging. As a result, you'll feel more like yourself, only better and more energized. Key ingredients: psyllium husk, dietary fiber, softens stools and eases bowel movements. Zinc, helps with the immune system and metabolism. Lifening is powered by the healing and restorative properties of raw materials found in nature and is sourced according to RIMAN's strict, high standards. Key benefits: powerful detox benefits. Acts as a prebiotic to aid in gut health, strengthens your immune system and increases energy. Instructions: take 1 packet twice a day with at least 10 ounces of water. Lifening, Beauty Collagen Ampoule, collagen dietary supplement for healthy beauty from the inside out. Key ingredients: hydrolyzed fish collagen, small peptides with a uniquely low molecular weight which can be easily absorbed in the body. Hyaluronic acid, provides hydration. Wheat ceramides, works to strengthen the skin's barrier. Biotin, beneficial for hair, nail, and skin health. Pomegranate, provides delicious natural flavor. Key benefits: protects skin from UV damage by strengthening the skin's barrier, improves the skin's natural health. All natural liquid formula is absorbed quickly. Beneficial for hair health, scalp, and thickness. Convenient single-serve packaging. Easier and more pleasant to drink than traditional collagen supplements. Instructions: drink 1 ampoule daily anytime, day or night. Welcome to RIMAN Care, the world's #1 K-beauty skincare line that harnesses the power of Korean beauty. At RIMAN Care, we understand that your skin is your most valuable asset, and we are here to help you take care of it. Our products are formulated using the latest advances in Korean skincare technology, designed to deliver visible results that leave your skin feeling rejuvenated and radiant. From cleansers to toners, serums to moisturizers, we have everything you need to achieve your best skin yet. But we know that true beauty comes from within, which is why we encourage all our customers to embrace their unique beauty and feel confident in their own skin. At RIMAN Care, we believe that beauty is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. So why not join the millions of women around the world who have already discovered the power of Korean beauty skincare? With RIMAN Care, you can unlock the secrets of beautiful, healthy, and glowing skin. Try our products today and experience the difference for yourself. Thank you for choosing RIMAN Care. Visit us now to enhance your skin's appearance today. RIMANCare.com.